You're about to jet off on an epic adventure, passport in hand, and dreams of exotic locales filling your head. But wait, a nagging question creeps in. Does Commbank charge foreign transaction fees? If this is you, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Picture this, you're sipping a piña colada on a white sand beach, the sun kissing your skin. Suddenly, a pang of anxiety hits you. How much is this drink actually costing? Are you getting stung with hidden fees? This is a common fear for travelers, and it's totally valid. Now, let's talk about Commbank. It's one of Australia's biggest banks, and if you're an Aussie planning to explore the world, chances are you've got a Commbank card. So, do they hit you with those pesky foreign transaction fees? Well, it's not as simple as a yes or no answer. First off, what exactly is a foreign transaction fee? It's that extra charge slapped onto your purchase when you use your card overseas. It's like a little tax for enjoying the world. Some banks love to pile on these fees, making your travel budget disappear faster than you can say wanderlust. So, does Commbank join the fee-loving crowd? Let's break it down. Generally, Commbank does charge a foreign transaction fee. It's usually around 3.5% of the transaction amount. Ouch, right? But before you panic and cancel your card, there's a silver lining. Commbank offers a range of credit cards, and not all of them have foreign transaction fees. Some cards, like Commbank Neo, Smart Awards, and Ultimate Awards, are fee-free foreign transaction havens. So, if you're a frequent traveler, it might be worth upgrading your card to save some serious cash. But wait, there's more. It's not just about credit cards. If you're using your Commbank debit card overseas, you'll also be hit with that 3.5% fee. And on top of that, there's a flat fee for cash withdrawals. So, using your debit card for ATM withdrawals isn't the most cost-effective option. Now, let's talk about exchange rates. Commbank uses Visa's exchange rate, which is generally competitive. However, it's always worth shopping around and comparing rates to make sure you're getting the best deal. There are other financial services out there that offer better exchange rates, so it's worth exploring your options. To sum it up, Commbank does charge foreign transaction fees on most of its cards, but there are fee-free options available. If you're a frequent traveler, it's definitely worth looking into those fee-free cards. And remember, always be mindful of exchange rates and consider using alternative financial services for better deals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.